Hi everyone, it's James here at YNC Car, bringing the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car. Well, once we're there, we will of course explore some of the interior features and options in a bit more depth. The exterior of the car is presented in the very nice black sapphire metallic, and of course that's finished off with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've added the 20-inch GTS style alloy wheels, and they're finished in the gloss black once again, and they're brand new with brand new tyres. Alongside having our fantastic YNC Mperformance body styling kit, this vehicle comes equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack. Within the M Sport Plus pack, you get the enhanced M Sport Plus brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather seats. And of course, we'll go ahead and take a closer look at those as we go around the car. So there is those much larger M brakes. Not only are the discs larger, you also get enhanced brake pads. The compound of brake pad that is used does aid in braking efficiency. And you can also see those very nice 20-inch GTS style alloy wheels. At the side of the vehicle, we have the gloss black air breathers on this vehicle. You can see that privacy glass. And thanks to me having the window down, you can see the absolutely fantastic Oyster Dakota leather, which matches in very nicely against this black sapphire metallic. And as I mentioned, on this vehicle we have the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar adjustment. And as you can see there is the tweeters for the Harman Kardon surround sound and Logic 7 speaker system. And that carries right on through to the rear, where of course you'll find the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, centre folding armrest, centre storage tray. And sitting just over there, that is where you'll find the other tweeters and speakers for that fantastic Harman Kardon surround sound. So no matter where you sit in a 4 Series Coupe or any of the 4 Series variants for that matter, they are a fantastically spacious and comfortable place to be on long or short journeys. Moving towards the rear of the car, we have a satin rear diffuser, high gloss rear boot spoiler and a fantastically large luggage capacity for a coupe vehicle. It is in fact one of the largest in its class. And we also have the split folding seat function as well. So of course, should you be wanting to require anything that won't quite fit in that luggage space there, you have that option too. Moving towards the other side of the car, well, we will just take a second or two to appreciate how well these two colours do work together. And of course, how well the 4 Series sits on the coupe, on the 4 Series sits on the 20-inch alloy wheels, And we'll head on inside the vehicle now, where of course we can go over a few of these interior details in a bit more depth. Now we started the car up, we can of course explore some more features. The vehicle itself comes with the professional wide navigation and media screen. What we get on that, we have some very nice features and functions. We have the professional wide navigation feature there, as you can see. And you also get the split screen function, as you can see there. So I'm going to quickly switch that off just because it makes it a little bit easier to demonstrate everything for you. DAB radio along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. Bluetooth for not only telephone as well as audio. And if I click to the vehicle information and service screen, not before showing you off the dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the lovely heated Dakota leather. As you can see here, the vehicle itself is not due a service for 7,000 miles, and we do have a full BMW service history on board the vehicle. So as well as the M Sport Plus pack, the vehicle has the fantastic 8-speed Sports Auto, which is why we have these F1 style flappy pedals on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Cruise control, speedometer function, voice and volume control, once again all situated on this lovely chunky multifunction M Sport steering wheel. The vehicle itself has covered just over 51,000 miles and looks in fantastic condition inside and out. So as always guys, I do hope you found this walk around video useful, and if you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I will be happy to answer anything I can as soon as possible. And as always, there will be a link to our website where of course you can obtain further information regarding prices and finance options for this vehicle or any of our other fantastic examples. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. We hope to see you soon. Goodbye.